So I understand you clicked on this video because you're wondering what this secret method is that smart creators are using to blow up their OnlyFans. It's not TikTok, it's not Instagram, it's not dating apps, and it's not Reddit. It's actually the thing that you're watching this video on right now. I'm talking about YouTube. So you might be wondering, I'm not looking to be a YouTuber, I'm looking to be an OnlyFans creator. How is anyone gonna find me? If I'm starting out on YouTube, isn't that difficult? And it's really not. Let me explain. So recently what I've been seeing time and time again is that there is a new genre of YouTube videos coming out that are blowing up OnlyFans creators' accounts, causing them to get millions of views and tens of thousands of subscribers. And that is try-on haul content. As we scroll down the try-on haul lingerie side of YouTube, we can see 10 million views, 20 million views, 1 million views, 500,000 views. There is so much traffic coming to this area of YouTube, and many of these videos have been posted in the last 2 weeks. This is because fans are looking for this type of content and they're filtering it by new. So even if you are a no-name creator with no subscribers and no prior views on YouTube, if you just post 5 to 10 try-on hauls, there is a very good chance you will get tens of thousands, if not millions of views. Look, if you're making an OnlyFans account, your goal is to generate traffic, and big traffic. You want as many eyes on you as possible, and then you can funnel those people into your Instagram account, which funnels them into your OnlyFans account. YouTube has become the new get-rich-quick when it comes to OnlyFans, and it's not a joke. So go out and buy some cute clothing and some lingerie, make a YouTube channel, and start posting as much as you can. I'm telling you this because I've worked with so many creators. This is the way you will get rich from OnlyFans. Smash the like button, and we also opened an OF Academy Discord. It's free for now, but it won't always be, so join it while you can. It's gonna have a ton of resources and a community for shoutouts. Thanks for watching.